Hello everyone, I'm J teacher. It's getting chilly these days. It's nice autumn in Korea. You know what? What you really need in this fall is having really a good meal. So today's keyword is meal. 식사. 식사 is used in formal situation when you talk to your boss or when people you just know listening or something. So let's find out the sentences you can use 식사 in. I show you three sentences and try to listen many times and repeat. Number one, 식사하셨어요? 식사하셨어요? Number two, 식사하세요. 식사하세요. Number three, 다음에 식사 같이 해요. 다음에 식사 같이 해요. Okay, that's it for today. About number three, 다음에 식사 같이 해요. That means, well, let's have a meal together next time. But in Korean, actually, that's try to be polite. Like you can't really count on that promise. It is just like saying goodbye. So you don't have to feel bad, even though someone who said it doesn't contact you at all. It's just she or he just tried to be polite. Okay, that's it for today. I hope everyone have a nice day and see you next time.